Hi everyone, we're excited to introduce the new EyeSpy Management System, a powerful upgrade designed to making restaurants run smoother, smarter, and more connected than ever. EyeSpy now gives operators and leaders drill-down metrics that make it easy to spot missed opportunities for coaching, conversations, and further training, all in real time. The customer dashboard features our various EyeSpy services, anything from e-learning courses and task management that are complementary, as well as other services such as your mystery shops. When logging in for your mystery shop services, you're able to filter by location. This can be done by city, by state, by region, and/or by location, choosing either time frame and/or choosing multiple locations and/or all locations. Once viewed, that location will have a total score, as well as you will be able to look at the location in comparison to other locations. You can view one or multiple locations and/or by city and/or by region comparisons. You're also able to select a location and see how it's doing for the month. So at all times, you'll be able to have the metrics and the data to help drive the focus. You can see the previous months as well as the current month at all times. When selecting a location, you can do this by location, by date, by manager's name, or by employee name. When clicking on a particular report that has just been recently submitted, you will be able to easily view it on your mobile device. You will be able to toggle between the various services of the section. So for example, if you wanted to go from grading to service, you can easily go ahead and select the section that you would like to toggle and jump to quickly. At all times, you'll be able to see a total score in each of the sections of the right-hand corner. You'll be able to see the various comments that are made for that section, as well as any photos that are pertaining to that section. There will also be a total score for that report at all times at the bottom of each section. You will also be able to see each of the sections that are broken down so you have the data and the information to see how you are comparing from previous months and be able to break down each of the sections even further from there. Another exciting new feature is what we call our communication board. You are now able to assign another leader that has access to that location and send a comment or question or direction to that particular leader. Once submitted, this particular communication will be able to be easily found on your communication board. When you go to the communication board, you will immediately see that there is a red dot whenever there is a new communication. Once you have selected that communication, you will be able to see any open communication that is still needing attention and/or any other communication that has been resolved. You can toggle this between seeing all communication and/or just seeing what pertains to the particular service that you are interested in viewing. You will be able to reopen any communication and quickly be able to see who has responded and what has been resolved and/or not, keeping all the communication about each of the mystery shops and/or various EyeSpy services within the EyeSpy platform. This allows the communication to not be lost and to have follow-up as needed. Another great feature is search by keyword. You can put in a menu item and/or an employee name. By doing so, you're able to have all commentary that has been made about that particular keyword so you can have further conversations and/or meetings and/or email and share this with the team. You can also put in an employee name and look at all performance and comments that have been made by that employee's name. This information can then be used sitting down with Natalia, reviewing the comments that have been made and having opportunities of further training and/or coaching. There are many other great features such as search by question, search by keyword, having training opportunities that are complementary to your team, being able to custom create and/or make changes to your form at any time, being able to look at invoices and pay them and see them through the platform. Stay tuned for many other exciting new features as we launch our new system with you.